Who says God doesn't do miracles? Hey guys, how's it going? I'm so glad that you decided to come back and watch little old me. Today, as you can see, my hair is classy, and today is wash day, or should I say wash night. So I decided to show you guys how that goes for me, how great that goes for me. I've actually, in the 21 years I've been on this earth, I've actually just figured out how to do my hair, and my hair is cooperating, thank God. Who says God doesn't do miracles? If you've seen my hair recently, it's literally, the only explanation I have, the only products I can tell you I've been using is God, literally. I actually do have some of the products that I've been using, and I'm going to use one of those today, and I'm going to show you guys how great it is. So yeah, who's excited? This girl. As you can tell from the title, today we are going to talk about the Ouidad Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. If you've never heard of this mask, I'm not sure where you've been living, maybe on planet Mars, but this mask is it's first super expensive. It's like $45, so it's crazy. I actually got this on sale from Ulta for like $24, half the price basically. So it was such a steal. I decided, I've been hearing so much about it forever, and since it was on sale, I was like, let me just go ahead and try it. If you don't know anything about my hair, which you probably don't, because I don't really talk about my hair that much on my channel. So if you've been following me for a bit, you know that I cut my hair back in April, and I'll try and put some pictures on the screen and show you how short it was. It was pretty short. It was, for the most part, relaxed slash texturized, so it was, none of it was natural whatsoever. And here is what my hair looks like now. It's fully natural. It does have a little bit of heat damage from me being weird and dumb. It's pretty long. Let's see how long it is. It's pretty long, considering it was like maybe this short in the back. So it's grown so incredibly much. Crazy. It's crazy how much it's grown. If you're wondering what I did to make it grow, wigs. I wore wigs, I did braids. Yeah, so if you've been wanting to grow your hair out, invest in using wigs. They don't even have to be expensive wigs. You can go to the beauty supply store and get curly wigs and throw it on. That blonde one that I love. Easy, like the easiest wig I have to literally throw on and walk out the door. So that's my secret, I guess. It's not really a secret, but people always ask,
like, why do you like wearing hair? Like, your natural hair is so nice and pretty.
I'm like, I absolutely agree. I think my hair is stunning. As you can see, I have gray it's all in the center at the top. So I love my hair, but the reason I wear like extensions, wigs, what have you, whatever, braids, is to let my hair grow. You guys don't understand. Like, it was so short, so I did those things to make my hair grow. So that's where we are now as of November 2018, about to be December. So the claim that it's supposed to do for your hair, and I feel like it actually does do this for your hair, it's supposed to instantly curls, regain elasticity and manageability with undeniable softness, shine, and a healthy vibrancy that lasts after multiple washes. So I can tell you from the one time that I used it, it actually did bring me curls. Like, I'm used to just having frizz from the front of my head to the back, but my curls actually popped. So for the first time in my life. So here is my hair. I'm gonna get up close. I'm looking at my monitor. I have flakes like crazy from the product that I used beforehand. You can kind of see a little bit my curls. And this is a 6-day-old wash and go. So I know, probably doesn't look like it, but I've been wearing my hair up in a little high puff for about 3 days. So this is the result of that. So yeah, and hopefully this is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this stuff with my own money. I felt like I wanted to just enlighten you on a product if you've been on the fence about it, or like, ugh, I hear a lot of great things about it, but I don't want to spend that much money. I'm here to show you that you should. Before we jump into the actual meat of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Like I said last time, it is free of charge, free shipping and handling. I was gonna say I'll even throw in a free gift, but your girl's not making money like that. So just subscribe. I'll love you forever, I promise. My hair is freshly washed. I just went ahead and washed it. There will be a video on what I use to wash it, as well as styling my hair. So you won't see the styling of my hair in this video, but if you're interested, stay tuned. That video will be up soon. So the instructions say on the side of the jar, it says to use this on damp hair. So I literally just washed my hair. It's not soaking wet, but it still has water in it, and I have my water bottle next to me just in case I need extra moisture. So I'm gonna split my hair in half, and then I'm gonna split that half in half, and then we're gonna work with that. So this is what my hair is looking like. Super not defined, a little bit, but not really. Okay, my hair is damp, not soaking or anything, so we're just gonna go ahead with the mask. And as usual, per any mask, I start at the ends and I'll work my way up. And then you want to go back in, since this is supposed to define your curls, and you want all of your curls. You want all your curls defined, not just the ends of your curls, but like from root to tip. I'm gonna go underneath too. You can already see. Can you see that? Can you see this baby? You can already see. That was not there a second ago. It was not there. It was not there. Was it? It wasn't. It wasn't. How did it look? So start from, I've already pretty much detangled my hair, but you can go in, if you have not detangled your hair yet, you can go in and do that. But yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. And you can see the curls just like shrinking back up. Can you? Yeah, you see that? They're just shrinking back up. I love it. This mask really does what it's supposed to. Okay. So we're just gonna twist it up. And then we're gonna move to the other sections and the rest of my head. So I'm basically just gonna put this on my whole entire head. Nothing crazy, special, spectacular. So I'll be back when I finish my whole head. Empty. I'm gonna go and take a shower. So it says on here to leave in for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to shower, all that jazz, and then I'll rinse it out in the shower, and then I'll come back to show you the end result of what my curls are looking like. And you saw the before, so we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards, and it's gonna be awesome. So I will be back once all that's done so you guys can see. Ooh. Back, I just rinsed out the Ouidad, and we are going to see what my curls are currently looking like. I haven't seen it, so this will be my first time seeing them. Whoa, wow. When I tell you that stuff is worth it, it's ridiculous. But look. Look at that. You see that? Crazy, right? These curls back here are killing the game. Just look at it. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that right there. Crazy. Crazy. When I tell you, I've never been used to seeing my hair with like its actual pattern ever until I started using this, and I use it all up. So I gotta go get some more. But this is what it's looking like. I didn't put any product on it. I didn't put any type of mask or like a conditioner after that. I literally used shampoo. I washed the shampoo out and put the Ouidad, and this is the result of my hair. It's incredibly soft. I can't even explain to you how soft it is, because I wish you guys could really, like, it may not look soft, but it's soft. I wish you guys could like reach through the screen and touch, and it has like super crazy elasticity. So if you have like this patch right here is super damaged. You can tell because it's really stretched, but it still kind of has some curl going on. It brought a little bit of curl back. You can kind of see the waves, yeah. So if you're still questioning getting this Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask by Ouidad, don't just go bite the bullet. Pay the $44. If you have to save up your coins, your pennies, and go to the store and get this real fast, because this stuff is amazing. I've never used something that makes my hair, like, you can literally see a difference, and I don't know, you can see the difference, you can feel the difference. It's ridiculous. So that's crazy. That's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see how I style my hair from this to whatever I style it to, make sure you stick around and stay tuned for that next video. That'll be up pretty soon. So I love you guys so much, and I love my hair. I love God. I thank you so much for sticking around to watch this great video with this great product that, like I said, not sponsored, but Ouidad. I mean, I will claim that. If you want more hair videos, just in general, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and or putting a comment down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.